Hey everyone, and welcome back. Sending the same email to everyone. Stop. In this video, I'll show you how to segment your contacts in EngageBay's free plan to send more relevant messages and boost engagement. First, go to your CRM and click on Contacts. Then, look for the Segments or Lists tab. Click Create Segment. You can build a segment based on almost any data point. Start with simple rules. For example, create a segment for active customers by choosing Contact Status IS Customer. Or create a segment for cold leads with the rule Last Activity Date IS before 30 days ago. You can get more specific. Create a segment for high-value leads where lead score IS greater than 50. Combine multiple rules. Make a segment for contacts who are customers and who have opened your last email. Name your segment and save it. This list now updates automatically as contacts match or stop matching your rules. Use these segments as your audience for targeted email campaigns, special offers, or sales follow-ups. And that's it. Segmentation turns your broad contact list into targeted groups you can communicate with more effectively. If you create a segment, let me know who it's for in the comments. See you in the next one.